Hello everyone and welcome to another LinkedIn tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to search for LinkedIn profiles in Google search. It's extremely easy. We're going to do it together in less than 10 seconds. So let's get started and go straight to the point. So all you have to do, you open a browser here, Google Chrome, and you are going to paste this command here, right? So this command basically is site semicolon 2 dots linkedin.com/in. And then in parentheses, you're going to mention the roles that you want to find. And then in brackets, you're going to mention the location. So if we Google this command, then the system will give us a lot of different founder profiles that are relevant to the location that is called Singapore. Now, a couple of tricks to make this even more valuable. You can actually mention more roles. So if you come here and you say or, for example, and then in brackets you say, let's say president, and then you close the brackets and then you keep the location, then the system will give you even more profiles of people that are either founders or presidents, and they are based in Singapore in this website that is called LinkedIn. Now, what you can also do is to add an industry. So for example, here, if you put marketing in brackets and then you press enter again, then you're going to get LinkedIn profiles that have a specific job title, they are in a specific location, and they are also in the industry that is called marketing. So the syntax of this command is site semicolon linkedin.com/in. Then you open brackets, you put the roles, you can put as many roles as you like with or. Then outside of the bracket, you put the location, and then you put the industry, and you can use this command in any city, any country, any industry for any job title, and you are going to find a ton of LinkedIn profiles for your outreach. That's it for today. If it was useful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.